Good morning student. This is the math workbook of class 8. Now we are continue chapter 4 practical geometry. So student, in previous video we have done 4.5. Now we will solve 4.6. So students, from here we have to construct all questions. So I give you hint here to how to construct any quadrature, and you have to practice on and draw all constructions of questions this worksheet. So student, worksheet 4.6, question number 1. Construct quadrature ABCD in which AB is equal to 4.5 cm, BC is equal to 5.5 cm, CD is equal to 4 cm, AD is equal to 6.5 cm, and AC is equal to 7.5 cm. So student, first we draw the rough diagram, rough sketch to construct. So we don't know what is the shape of this construction, so we can draw any rough diagram of construction. So ABCD, AB is given 4.5, BC is given 5.5 cm, CD is given 4 cm, and AD or DA is equal to 6.5, and AC is equal to 7.5 cm. So student, how to construct this diagram? First we draw the line AB with 4.5 cm. Now we take measure in compass 5.5 with the help of scale and draw the arc from here to here 5.5 cm, and again we take 7.5 measure in compass with the help of scale and draw arc from A to here. So now we join the line A to C, this line, and again here 6.5 cm. So we take measure 6.5 in compass, and from A we draw arc, and CD is equal to 4 cm, and from C we take measure 4 cm in compass, and from C we draw arc. Now we meet A to D and D to C. So we can draw the construction of this questions. So now this method you can construct a question. Now question number 2. Construct a quadrature ABCD in which BC is equal to 6 cm, CD is equal to 6, DA is equal to 4 cm, angle C is equal to 60 degree given, and angle D is equal to 75 degree. So again we don't know what is the shape of this construction, so we draw rough diagram. So A, B, C, D. Angle C is 60 degree, angle D is 75. Angle AD is equal to 4 cm, CD is equal to 6, BC is equal to 6. So first we draw the CD with the 6 cm, and from C we draw the 60 degree angle, and from C we take 6 cm in compass, and from C we draw arc and draw the line B to C. This is the 6 cm, and again from D we construct the angle 75 degree, and we take 4 cm measure into compass, and from D we draw arc from AD and draw the line, and where the cut the both arc, then we meet from here. This is the our construction. Question number 3. Construct a quadrature ABCD in which AB is equal to 4.6 cm, BC is equal to 5.3 cm, angle A 60, angle B 100, angle C 120. So here is 2 sides are given and 3 angles. Question number 3. First we draw the rough diagram. A, B, C, D. Angle A is 60 degree, B 100, C 120. BC is equal to 5.3 cm, AB is equal to 4.6 cm. So student, First we draw line AB. AB 4.6 centimeter. Now we draw the 60-degree angle, and from B we draw the 100-degree angle. Now we take 5.3 measurement with compass, and from B we draw arc and meet line C to B, and from line BC we take base and draw the angle from C 120 degree. So now we extend the 60-degree angles line and meet here. So this is the ABCD construction, ABCD quadrature. Now question number 4. Construct a rectangle PQRS with side PQ is equal to 4 cm and QR is equal to 4.5 cm. So solution of 4. So first we draw the rough diagram A PQRS. So student, to draw line SR with 4 cm and draw 90-degree angle with S and R and extend this line above. And you know the opposite side of rectangle are equal, so Q are given in 4.5. So we take 4.5 measurement with help of scale and compass, and from S and from R we draw arc and meet PQ. So this is 4 cm, this is also 4 cm. So this is the rectangle. Now question number 5. Construct a rhombus with side 5 cm and one angle is 45. So question number 5 is, first we draw rough diagram and we draw line DC is equal to 5 cm and construct 45-degree angle with D, and we take 5 cm distance, 5 cm measurement and compass with the help of scale, and from D we draw arc and cut the meet the A to D 5 cm. Now from A again we take 5 cm distance measurement, from A we cut the mark, and from C also we cut the mark. So there is given mark. Now we meet the both line, this and this also. So this is the construction of rhombus. Question number 6. Construct a square with diagonal 6 cm. So this is the question number 6. First we draw rough diagram. Now 6 cm is diagonal. So first we draw diagonal AC 6 cm. So now we bisect this side. So we take more than half distance and mark up and down, and from C another up and down, and we meet. This line is the bisect AC from 3 and 3 part. So now we take 3 cm distance with compass with the help of scale, and here O, with the O cut the line B, and from O downside this. Now we meet the line from A to B, B to C, and A to D, and C to D. This is the square. Question number 7. Construct a parallelogram ABCD with AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 3 cm, and angle D is equal to 30 degree. So question number 7. This is the rough diagram. Students, you have to must draw rough diagram. It is very helpful and easy to draw our construction. So in parallelogram we know opposite side are equal. So given AB and DC is equal to 6 centimeter and BC is equal to AD is equal to 3 centimeter. Angle D is equal to 30 degree is given. So first we draw DC line with 6 centimeter, and from D we draw angle 30 degree, and with the help of compass, help of scale, we draw 3 centimeter line with A. So now the match the line, and from A we draw arc with the 6 centimeter distance, and from C we draw the arc with the 3 centimeter distance. So both arc draw with this point. Now we draw from A to B and C to D. So this is the parallelogram. Question number 8. So student, construct a quadrilateral ABCD which AB is equal to 5.3 centimeter, AD is equal to 2.9, angle A 70, angle B 95, angle C 85. So student, this question is same as question number 3. He is given 2 sides and 3 angles. So in question number 3 also have 2 sides and 3 angles, and only angles are changed and side measurement are changed. So students, you can draw these angle with the help of question number 3. So you have to construct yourself. And question number 9 also same as question number 3. It has also 2 sides and 3 angles are given. So try to construct. If you have any problem to construct these questions, you can ask me. Now question number 10. Construct a trapezium ABCD with AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter, CD is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Angle B is equal to 60 degree, and AB is parallel to CD. So the construction of question number 10. First we draw the rough diagram of the question. So since AB is parallel to CD, now we know the angle C, because B is given C 60 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus angle B means 60 degree. So angle C is equal to 120 degree. So first we draw the AB line with the 5 centimeter measurement. So from B we draw the 60 degree angle, and we take 4 centimeter measurement in compass with the help of scale. Now from B we draw arc to line and with the 60 degree line, and we draw the arc and write C and meet the line from C to B. Now we take BC is base, and from C we construct a 120 degree angle. So this is the angle of 120 degree. Now we take 3.5 centimeter distance. So we draw the arc of 3.5 centimeter and write D and meet this line to C, and to meet D to A, to draw the line A to D. Now this is your final construction. So student, our worksheet 3.4.6 also done. Now you have to draw 4.7. You have to practice 4.7 to draw the measurement. Thank you.